How to share a Roblox game link. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be showing you guys on how to share a Roblox game link. It's a simple and quick process, so follow along carefully. You can do this on your computer or your mobile phone as well. Just log into your account through the web browser, and if you're on the computer, use the web browser version of the Roblox, and once you're signed in, open the game you want to share. Copy the URL from the top of the screen, and if you're using a web browser on your phone, you can just simply follow this process because it's same. After copying the link, you can paste it into the chat with your friends, and they will receive the link with a visit button to redirect them to the game. You might also have a game icon to share instantly, and once they join, you can play together. Copy the game's URL to share any game. So this was all about how to share Roblox game link. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.